Happy New Year, SpongeBob and Squidward. And what is your New Year's resolution, Mr. Squidward?
Oh, I'll tell you what it is, Mr. Krabs. For this whole new year, I want you and SpongeBob to shut your freaking mouths. Nobody likes either one of you, so both of y'all can go in the corner and cry like a freaking baby.
Squidward, when will you ever learn you are never gonna win? Never, Squidward!
This is where you're wrong. Oh, give me a break! Holy crap!
Welcome to 2025, Mr. Squidward!
Well, hello everybody, my name is Mickey Mouse. Goofy! Shut your mouth!